going to see the question from signals and systems given in GATE 1991 as fill in the blanks. So here given that a signal has a frequency components from 300 Hz to 1.8 kHz, then the minimum possible rate at which the signal has to be sampled is. So here coming to the solution, given that the signal frequency components, so FM, the message signal frequency components, is from 300 Hz to 1.8 kHz. So the maximum value of this message signal frequency is 1.8 kHz. So we can consider that FM equals to the maximum frequency of the message signal, then that is equals to 1.8 kHz. So here we need to find the minimum possible rate at which the signal has to be sampled. So the minimum possible rate at which the signal has to be sampled is nothing but the Nyquist rate. That is nothing but the minimum sampling rate is nothing but minimum sampling rate is nothing but that is the Nyquist rate. Nyquist rate is nothing but that is the minimum sampling rate at which the signal is sampled to avoid the aliasing effect. So this is nothing but this is having the expression 2 into FM, that is equals to 2 into 1.8 kHz, that is equals to 3.6 kHz is the minimum rate at which the signal is sampled.